So remember that the relationship between the log is by equals x, and I'm just going to use my notation, the convention that I use, because the curriculum is all over the place. B raised to some power equals x. And the relationship to that is log base b of x is equal to y. Okay, so the next problem I've got 12 is equal to 5 to the x, which is confusing because the x is in a weird spot. So let's think about that for a second. What's the base? Well, b is the base, which is 5. All right. In this particular case, y is equal to x. I'm going to rewrite that. Let me just do this. So it's I don't like the way they set it up because they're not consistent. So it's symbolic. So I can just say 5 raised to the smiley face. So y then would be the smiley face. Okay. And then our x value is just 12. Okay. So if I follow that logic, then log base b, which would be 5, of 12 should equal my smiley face. But remember, our smiley face is x, right? So this is really equal to x. So this is the right answer. Any questions?